ChatGPT is losing. The AI tool that dominated the world for the last 3 years is quietly being overtaken, and most business owners have absolutely no idea. In the last 12 months alone, ChatGPT lost 22 points of market share, and the tools that are replacing it, they're faster, smarter, and more profitable for your business. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly which AI tools are taking over in 2026 and which ones you should be using in your business right now. Let me show you something that almost nobody is talking about. Just this week, April 2026, OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, made a major announcement. They are shifting their entire focus away from regular consumers and toward business users. Why? Because they're losing ground fast. 1 year ago, ChatGPT controlled 86.7% of the AI market. Today, that number has dropped to 64%. And Gemini, Google's AI, has exploded from 5% market share to over 21% in just 12 months. This is not a small shift. This is a fundamental reshaping of the entire AI landscape. And for business owners and entrepreneurs, this matters enormously because the tools that are winning this new AI race aren't just different versions of the same thing. They represent entirely new capabilities, new ways of working, new levels of automation, and new opportunities to gain a massive competitive advantage. Today I'm going to break down exactly what's happening in the AI world right now in April 2026, and more importantly, which tools you should be using in your business to stay ahead. Let's get into it. First, let's understand exactly what happened to ChatGPT and why this matters for your business. ChatGPT launched in November 2022 and became the fastest growing consumer application in history. Took just 5 days to reach 1 million users, 2 months to reach 100 million. For 2 years, it was essentially the only serious AI tool that most people knew about. But here's what changed. The AI race accelerated dramatically. Google, Anthropic, Meta, and dozens of other companies poured billions into competing models, and many of them became genuinely better than ChatGPT for specific use cases. At the same time, OpenAI made a series of business decisions that confused and frustrated users. They launched and then killed Sora, their video generation tool, because it was costing them $15 million per day to operate, while generating almost no revenue. They raised their prices. They changed their models constantly, and they struggled to explain to regular business owners why they should pay $20, $100, or even $200 per month for an AI subscription. The result? Users started exploring alternatives, and what they found surprised them. The alternatives weren't just good enough. In many cases, they were significantly better. 4 real business applications. This is the story of 2026 in AI, and understanding it could be worth thousands of dollars to your business this year. Tool number 1 that is taking over: Google Gemini. 12 months ago, Gemini was an afterthought, a Google product that felt rushed, limited, and clearly inferior to ChatGPT. Today, it's a completely different story. Gemini has gone from 5% of the AI market to over 21%, the fastest growth of any AI platform in history. And for business users specifically, Gemini has 3 massive advantages that ChatGPT simply cannot match. Advantage number 1, Google integration. If your business uses Google Workspace, Gmail, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Drive, Google Meet, Gemini integrates natively into all of those tools. That means AI assistants right inside the tools you already use, without switching between apps, without copying and pasting, without interrupting your workflow. Advantage number 2, real-time information. ChatGPT's knowledge has a cutoff date. Ask it about something that happened last week and it either doesn't know or makes something up. Gemini is connected to Google Search in real time. It knows what happened today. It can research current market conditions, recent news, live pricing, all within the same conversation. For business owners making decisions based on current information, this is not a small thing. This is enormous. Advantage number 3, Nano Banana. Google's image generation model has become the most accurate and instruction-following image AI in existence for businesses that need marketing materials, social media graphics, product visuals and presentations. Gemini with Nano Banana is producing results that would have cost thousands of dollars in professional design work just 2 years ago. The combination of these three advantages is why Gemini's growth has been so dramatic and why it's only going to accelerate from here. Tool number 2 that is reshaping the AI landscape, Claude by Anthropic. If you haven't heard of Anthropic, here's what you need to know. They were founded by former OpenAI researchers, people who literally built ChatGPT, who left because they believed AI needed to be developed differently, and the product they built, Claude, has become the preferred AI tool for serious business and professional work. Here's why. First, Claude is widely considered the best AI for writing and communication. Not just good writing, genuinely excellent writing that sounds human, maintains consistent tone, and can adapt to any brand voice. For businesses that need high-quality content at scale, marketing copy, email sequences, reports, proposals, documentation, Claude is consistently outperforming ChatGPT in blind tests. Second, Claude handles extremely long documents, while ChatGPT struggles with very long inputs. Claude can process and analyze entire books, lengthy contracts, comprehensive research reports, all in a single conversation. For legal teams, consultants, analysts, and executives who work with large amounts of text, this capability alone is worth the switch from ChatGPT. Third, and this is what's driving Anthropic's explosive growth, Claude is the preferred AI for coding and technical work. Anthropic recently launched Claude Code, a command line tool that allows developers and even non-technical business owners to build sophisticated software applications with AI assistance. The results have been remarkable. Developers are reporting that Claude Code is completing complex coding tasks that used to take days or weeks in hours. This is why, as of April 2026, Anthropic is growing faster than OpenAI, and industry analysts are predicting they could overtake ChatGPT in business market share within 12 months. Now, beyond individual AI chatbots, the real story of AI in April 2026 is the rise of AI agents and automated workflows, and the tool at the center of that story is Make.com. Here's what most people miss when they think about AI tools for business. Using ChatGPT or Claude as a standalone chatbot is like hiring a brilliant employee and then only letting them answer one question at a time, and then forgetting everything after each conversation. The real power of AI for business comes when you connect these models into automated workflows that run continuously without human intervention, handling complex multi-step processes automatically. That's what Make.com enables. In 2026, the most sophisticated business owners are not just using AI to answer questions. They're building AI agent systems where multiple AI models work together, each one handling a specific part of a larger workflow, passing information between each other, and taking actions automatically. Here's a real example of what this looks like. A lead comes in through your website form. Make.com triggers automatically. Claude analyzes the lead's message and determines their level of interest. It drafts a personalized response based on your sales templates. It adds the lead to your CRM with tags. It creates a follow-up task in your project management tool. It notifies your team via Slack with a summary of the lead's profile. All of that happens in under 60 seconds. Zero human involvement required. This is not the future of business. This is what the most competitive businesses are doing right now, in April 2026. And the businesses that haven't built these systems yet are already operating at a significant disadvantage. Tool number 4. That is gaining massive traction in the business world, Perplexity AI. If your business requires research, market analysis, competitor intelligence, industry trends, customer insights, Perplexity has become the essential tool of 2026. Here's how it's different from ChatGPT and Claude. Perplexity is specifically designed for research and information gathering. Every answer it gives comes with cited sources you can verify. It searches the web in real time. It synthesizes information from multiple sources simultaneously, and it presents findings in a clear, structured format that you can actually use to make business decisions. The comparison I like to use is this. ChatGPT is like asking a very smart friend what they think about something. Perplexity is like having a research analyst who reads every relevant article, verifies the information across sources, and delivers you a comprehensive briefing in under 30 seconds. For business owners who need to stay on top of their industry, understand their competition, or research potential opportunities, Perplexity has become indispensable. And the business applications are enormous. Competitive analysis that used to take a junior analyst a full week, Perplexity can produce in minutes. Market research that used to cost thousands of dollars to commission, available instantly, cited and accurate. Industry trend reports that executives pay consulting firms to produce, generated on demand, updated in real time. This is why Perplexity's growth has been so dramatic in 2026, and why it belongs in every serious business owner's AI toolkit. So what does all of this mean for your business specifically? Let me be very direct. The AI landscape in April 2026 is more powerful, more accessible, and more competitively significant than at any previous point in history, and the gap between businesses that are using these tools effectively and businesses that aren't is growing every single month. Here's the practical framework I recommend for business owners who want to get ahead of this right now. Step 1. Stop thinking of AI as a single tool. The business owners winning with AI in 2026 are using multiple tools for different purposes. Gemini for research, Google Workspace integration and image generation, Claude for high-quality writing, document analysis and coding, Perplexity for research and competitive intelligence, Make.com for connecting everything into automated workflows. Step 2. Identify the 3 tasks in your business that consume the most time each week. Not the most important tasks, the most time-consuming ones. Usually these are responding to emails, creating content, and managing information. All 3 of these can be significantly automated with AI today. Step 3. Build one automated workflow. This week using Make.com. Start simple. Pick one repetitive process. New lead notification, social media scheduling, weekly report generation, and automate it completely. Once you experience the time savings from that first automation, you'll understand viscerally why this is the most important business investment you can make right now. The businesses that move on this now will have a structural advantage that compounds over time. The ones that wait another 6 months will be playing catch-up with competitors who are already running automated operations. Let's bring it all together. The AI landscape has fundamentally shifted. In April 2026, ChatGPT, while still dominant, has lost 22 points of market share in just 12 months, and the tools replacing it are more powerful for business use. Gemini has exploded to 21% market share, with Google integration and real-time data. Claude by Anthropic is growing faster than any AI company right now, preferred for writing, analysis, and coding. Make.com is enabling AI agent workflows that replace entire operational departments, and Perplexity is transforming how business research gets done. The question is not whether these tools will change your business. They already are changing your competitors' businesses. The question is whether you are going to take advantage of this shift or watch from the sidelines while others do. My recommendation is simple. Pick one tool from today's video. Implement it in your business this week. Experience the difference firsthand. Then come back to this channel, because I cover exactly this kind of actionable AI business intelligence every single week. If this video gave you value, subscribe right now and hit the notification bell, because what I have coming in the next few videos is going to be even more specific, even more actionable, and directly applicable to growing your business with AI. Drop a comment below. Which of these tools are you most excited to explore? I read every comment, and I'll personally respond to as many as I can. I'll see you in the next one.